Alright, testing, testing. Oh wait. Alright, it's connected to the server. Let me just go ahead and send it around. Copy. Throw it here real quick. Alright. Let's go ahead and start. So my goal right now, I forgot to hide the command prompt here. We're gonna work on adding an API for adding series programmatically so people don't have to conflict with their series database files. And then we're gonna work on unhard coding the announcer files, the DLC one specifically, and also I think part of the table is the normal announcer calls. We can look at those later, but for now, let's work on the API portion. So, hello. So to start with, we're gonna go ahead and create a structure for the series ID, the series DB. So let's just go ahead and I guess let's just copy this as a base. So we're gonna paste it here, and let's change this to series database entry. And now let's go ahead and get the PRC for see how it's structured in the UI series db.prc. There it is. All right. So we're gonna copy this as our base. Let's go ahead and paste it here. So this includes a hash 40, a string, a signed byte, and a boolean, then another hash 40. Alright, so not that much, which shouldn't be too bad. We'll just go ahead and get rid of this. And then we can just go ahead and pick from the hash here. Let's go ahead and take this. Alright. And now we're going to go ahead and change the type to the proper one. So hash 40 was going to be a hash 40 type. And then the string was going to be... let me see what I did here because I'm pretty sure I changed the name, right? Oh, it's just a string type. Alright. String type. Signed byte type. And bool just bool type. Alright. Oh. Now that we have this, let's actually add another one. So pub clone from UI series ID, and that's going to be an option of a U64 since it's going to be optional. And let's just paste that in here. Wait, my bad. Hash 40 type here too. Alright, so now we have our struct. We can go ahead and start working on actually parsing this. So first things first, before we do that, we're going to add another API call. Let's see this issue. External user block option user source is not otherwise safe. That's alright. Shouldn't be too bad, hopefully. Or actually, yeah, we could just pass in the pointer. Oh, I'll deal with that later. Alright, then if that's not FFI safe, we'll just change it to be a U64. And if it's 0, then we'll ignore it. U64. And U64. Alright. Let's see here. Okay, yeah, that's not gonna... We'll just leave it. We'll revert back to option then. Alright. I'll have to deal with this later somehow, but... For now, let's just go ahead and add another function call here. Add series db entry info. Series db entry info. Series database entry. Alright. And then we're just gonna go here and copy this. And then we can just copy the parameter here. If you want to give it the actual self, we'll just do that. Alright. So now it's time to work on Let me see here. YouTube just notify me of something. Let me check settings here real quick. 6800, I guess. Let's do that. Alright, let's see if that fixes the warning. Anyways, let's go back here and work on the CSK side of it, the CSK collection. So we're just gonna put this here. We're gonna go to FFI here, and we're gonna copy what we do in our plugin. So let's go ahead and copy the name, and we're gonna use series database entry. It's probably still recompiling the plugin, so we're just gonna go here, and when we get back to the name here, alright, copy, paste, new series database entries. Then we're gonna go to PRC here and create a new one which uses series database entry. Yep. And then we'll go ahead and create a new UI series DB data. Is UI series DB. Alright. And now what was to be done? Well, first you need to track down when UI series DB loads. UI series DB. So we're gonna go here. I'm gonna copy this, comment this out for now. And now where is let's see here. I think it was in, I'll just check. Nope, it was in E. This one, yeah, that's the latest one so far. Oh, it dragged us all the way to my other monitor. Let me just get back in. Alright. And now here we can go ahead and hopefully I didn't break the stream or anything. We're gonna do the same thing, but if hash is equal to UI slash param slash database slash UI series ID dot DB dot PRC. And then we're just gonna go here. Let me go ahead and paste this. Let me go ahead and change this to be ultra low latency. I want to pause the stream real quick. Be right back. Okay, yeah, my bad. It won't let me switch the latency unless I actually end the stream, so I'll leave that on hold for now. Let's change this to UI series DB. And now this is going to print out the pointer, so if we're done with this, so we could go ahead and do switch GDB. And we have our actual switch here. So we're going to do this. Drag this up. Let me pin this here real quick. Cargo skyline run. And let it just go ahead and do what it needs to do. It's gonna compile our crop and send it over. IRC, I do need to have the file be modded, so I think UI? No, I didn't have it needful. Let's go here and pick. Let's just pick a random mod. Doesn't matter. UI param database. UI param database, right? Let me just verify I got it right. Hash lookup. UI param database. Okay. Switch to GDB. Get ready for that. And now let me go ahead and just grab UI series DB. Series DB.prc. Yep. Just drag this into here. Doesn't matter if it's vanilla because it'll still think it's a mod. And now we can go ahead and start up switch GDB. connected to the switch. We can go ahead and launch the game. Type setup. Alright, we can attach. And as soon as the pointer shows up here, we can pause it. Oh, did we miss it? That's weird. Oh wait, we paused too early, I think, or just didn't print out. Let's go ahead and just try watching this. So let's just XXD this pointer. Paracob N, alright. Let's do a watch. We're gonna watch the character at, wait, character pointer at here, and a watch the integer pointer at this address plus 8. So after the magic, see if it breaks, hopefully. Yes, it did. So go ahead and print the trace, see where we're at. We're at NSDK, so we can just continue because just copying some memory over. Okay, and this is where we're most likely wanting to be. So if we run print trace here, let's go ahead and pull up 1302. Alright. This address looks the most familiar, or the closest one to where I was at. Oop. And then hit. Guess I'll wait for it to quiet down. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. So what was I gonna look at? It was this function here. If we jump to it in Ghidra, this function basically goes through all database PRC files and sets them up. It jumps to a different function to set up each one. So it looks like at this address here, BLRX8, this is when it's setting the series DB. So you can just go ahead and copy this. Go back to CSK collection API. Control KU here. 0x here. And then we could change this to setup series DB. Is series DB. And then we just install this hook. Alright, and now we have the setup series DB. So now we know when in this function, we'll know it will be using series DB data. Let's just go ahead and let us copy all this. Control V. Else if is UI series DB. UI series DB is false. and then new series DB entries. Basically, just update everything here to be series related. Series DB uncompressed size. I'll just go here real quick. Copy this, save me the trouble. If it fails to get UI series DB, it gets the files. UI series. That's all the instances here, so we can just go here and rename this series UI. We're gonna UI series ID. UI series struct. If let mutable UI series struct clone from new there. Forgot where it was. Clone from UI series ID. Do this. Alright, everything looks good. We're gonna have to change this to be set series DB. Set char DB entry data. Set series DB char entry data. Alright. We're gonna copy this, go up. Then we're gonna go ahead and thank God for macros. This. Alright. Series database entry. And then we could just copy this for the string. Series name ID. Alright, that looks good. Let me go ahead and just pull up everything real quick because I forgot. We have everything here, yeah. UI series ID, alright. Let me just scroll here real quick. Here, replace #40. We want to replace this one. #40 UI series ID. Series database entry dot UI series ID. And why does this have a char? No, it doesn't. Okay, that was weird. Alright, then we just do the same thing for the rest. Alright. Wait, UI series ID has to be a U64, my bad. Okay, yeah, my bad. I messed that up when I was converting it. Alright, and then we want to go ahead and just do the same thing for this. So, name ID is done. This border, these three are signs. We can just and then what was it? Struct data series database entry. Alright. And then bool also, we're just gonna go here. Bool. Bool replace struct data series database entry. Bool. Oopsie. Then these two. Oh wait, this one is also bool. My bad. All right. Bool replace. Wait, hash 40 replace. And then we just copy these two. Alright. So, series ID, clone, we use that. Name, this border. Save no, yep. Bool. Bool, bool. Alright, I think that's everything. We did on the series part, and that's about it. We got the series working. Oh wait, I almost forgot, my bad. Here. I mean, technically we could just use one, but better safe than sorry, so we're just gonna go ahead and EI series DB data. Alright. I'm gonna have to pause the stream real quick. Be right back. My bad for hopping back in and out. I just had to go reply to a customer real quick. Alright. Anyways, I think that's about it. We got Chara's here. Series DB working. Let me just go right here and see, make sure everything looks right. Alright, now that we got this working, we can go ahead and just stop and start working on hard coding the table, which is not something I'm looking forward to. Oh boy. $13.02, we can go here, pull up this. Alright, so first things first, let's go ahead and look for the actual PC narration Chara. Let's just pick one of these, go up. Yeah, here. Oh boy. This is not going to be a fun one. That's for sure. Let me just control C this. Control V plus 0x20. Yeah, that doesn't look like it. This looks like it. Yeah, okay. I remember there's 21 in here, so if we were to go to one of the hard-coded offsets here, where is it? I probably should have labeled it the first time I found it, but oh boy. Here, yeah, this is for sure. Okay, so these are the tables that it uses. Hash, hash, hash. Then this is a number and another number. Then it goes back to hash, hash, hash correctly. Hash, hash, hash. Number, then another number. Alright, so this is not going to be fun. First things first, let's go ahead and just parse the table real quick. So we know the table is over here. This is the start of it. So let's just go ahead and we could do this in main actually. You don't need to worry about doing it anywhere else. I'm just gonna go ahead and uncheck all these. Create utils offset to address. Yep, okay, thank God. We're gonna go here. 0x this. I'm gonna go here. We're gonna control KU this. And now let's go ahead and just start magic real quick. So for x in range, I think Python 0x21. We can go ahead and do let mutable offset equals star. Oh, my bad. The CSK collection API. And then what was it again? It was, I forgot to represent this as, yeah, alright. Narration Chara call entry. Star const, my bad. Alright, so now we have this. Let's go ahead and print. Let me look up here. print debug Rust. It was, yeah, dollar hashtag. Alright. Let's go here. We're gonna print this. Wait, my bad. We're gonna print offset this. The operation is unsafe. Oh yeah, my bad. Unsafe. And when it does that, we're gonna go ahead and make offset equals offset add 1. So it's gonna loop 21 times, which is, if we look here, the amount of times this game itself loops. I think that's either 21 when it's exactly this 21 compare branches equal. There you go. Okay, yeah, 21. That's the amount. And now we can go ahead and just run and test it out. So drag this up, cargo skyline run. I'm gonna go ahead and stop our Acropolis. We can go back here. We can. Ooh, we got an error. Let's go check. Set series DB entry clone. Ooh, here's the thing we forgot. Series database entry. Alright. And that killed everything thrown there. Let's go check that out. Expected new series database entry. Why is that? Series database entry. We're giving it that. Huh, that's weird. Let's try again. Maybe you just didn't save. Expected layout database entries here. My bad. Wait, no, it's here. Why is this the case? Oh, I guess it just didn't save or something. Alright. That's alright. It works, so hey. Now let's go ahead and see if it prints out everything. But before we do that, make sure that you always exit, detach. Then you can go ahead and close this really fine. And now let's boot up the game, see what we get in our log. Alright, since nothing's showing up in the log, it's most likely because we either have another instance of the log running or... Yep, we do. It's in dynamic emoji. My bad, guys. Let's just go ahead and restart the game. Let's see what prints out. There it is. Okay, we got some stuff here. So we can see here that 1211 and some random number. Let's go ahead and just run these through hash lookup. Oh my bad, I forgot to bring it here. Let me just pin this, we can just copy paste fast. These look like proper hashes, yep. SE common, Nutty bank. VC narration common, yep. Common tone label. Nutty audio, and then we have 1-1. I'm assuming these are our priorities or something. I am not sure. We have this sound SE item. This is Nutty tone label probably, and this is gonna be Nutty audio, yeah. And then let's see if this is a hash. Nope. Well, at least an unknown hash, so it could be a hash in the game or somewhere in the files, but we wouldn't know. 3. And then this is just... This could also be the amounts that's inside it. I'm not sure though. But yeah, this is Nutty bank path. I was right. Tone label path, rub. And this is the Nutty audio path. Alright. I got the naming of the structure right. Okay, that's lucky. And now let's see here. These numbers, you don't know what they are exactly yet. So we could just copy what it does here for the... Yeah, for these DLC characters. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. It looks like it just goes up per DLC. Yeah, I don't want that, please. I want this. SE menu append. Oh, they even appended for the menu. Nice. Alright, looks like it just goes up by 1 for patched files. What's this? I'm not sure what this number is for though. 34, so I guess we'll just start counting from 35 and up when we patch this. Alright, so that's how this goes. And who was the last DLC character? Trail, right? Yeah. And his was 21. Alright. This shouldn't be too... The annoying part is how they indexed into this table, so... These could be... No, they can't. Alright. So the hard part is going to be getting these custom stuff in. Let's see here. This is the index variable it uses. As you can see, it increments by 1 before it goes back to the while and loops back. So let's go up and see how it's being used. So here it's being multiplied by 5. And then shifted. The hash gets shifted to clear it out. This is the Nusri audio, right? Yeah, the third one's the Nusri audio. So Nusri Bank, Nusri Bank, tone label, Nusri audio. Alright. So 1 times 5, that's 5. So it takes this index 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. Let me just go ahead and mark this as U-log. Save the trouble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I copy this. Oopsie, messed it up. Yeah, this is mostly audio. Alright, I think I get the logic of how it indexes into these. So you can just index into it and get it in the audio path back. Alright. Alright then, so our goal right now would be... We could inline hook here whenever it accesses it and just patch these instructions with our count. The problem is, does it only access it in this function? I do have code to patch tables, but that expects the ADRP and then it expects it to ADRP to get to it. But if you go here real quick, we can see that this table gets accessed weirdly. So there's no ADRP here. Oh wait, there is. ADRP. That's 228. So we'll just copy this. No. Alright, no, that takes us to here. If I can patch this ADRP instruction properly, then we win, but... So ADRP here. We add 228, move 16 to it, then we add x8, which is the index, right? Let's go verify. 24, my bad. 24 here, that's the index. So index plus 28 plus this ADRP. And then x8 here was what? ADRP, let's copy this real quick. This is a pointer to somewhere. And that's a pointer to somewhere else, which loads here. Hmm. What about here? What's this? Well, actually, let me just see here, I guess. Yeah, okay, this is just normal REST service, file info buckets, blah, 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 blah. General file loading stuff. Alright, so here's the plan, I guess. This is something related to these two, so it doesn't matter. If this, so let's say 1 plus 10, 1 times 10, that's 10, so we're gonna count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, no, that's not gonna be it. So let's assume that it's per U64, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So problem 1 and 1. Alright. Let's see how it loads this table. ADRP, again this number. Let me go here and check. This table is such a weird one. I'll just see which ones here are similar. This is not fun. Alright, let's see here. LVAR 16, you're gonna go up. LVAR 16 times 5, and the FFs, alright. Let's see where else index is used here. Here. U long here, okay, yeah. So after the first, second, and third. Times 5. So why is this one broken? Oh, well then I guess I don't need to read too much about it, but... So 0 times 5, that'd be 0, so just get this. 1 times 5, that's 5. Plus 5, so let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, now that matches up. Alright, I think I have an idea then. Let's see here. This loads registers 228, 28. Okay, so here. Alright. ADRP add 0x28. Let's go look for other instances of the ADRP again. Alright, these look incredibly similar, so hold up. Let's go and open up Notepads, my best friend. I'm gonna just go ahead and copy this. One going for the fourth element. We're starting at the number 1. Alright. And if we go here real quick, ADRP. Where's this here? We'll just highlight this, scroll until we see the color. Yep. ADRP. Alright. So I'm going for the. This was the second. Okay, I'm going for the second element. All right. So here we have this going for the Nasri Bank. No, the Tone Label. My bad. First was Nasri Bank. The third one was Nasri Audio. Fourth one was just a random number. All right. So now what we want to do is, let's see. How exactly does it change up here? So it takes the index. Let me go ahead and look up what the madd instruction is. Where's the dev profile here? I'm gonna go here. madd arc64. Multiply add, that's what it was. Alright. Multiply add two register value. Multiplies two register values, adds a third register value, and then writes. Okay, that makes more sense. So let's see here. It multiplies two registers. So it's probably 16 and 17. Let's see here real quick. X2 to A plus 0x to A. Wait, no, my bad. I messed up, I think. Yeah, let me just copy this. Plus 0x2 to 8 times 0x to 8. I guess I'll just make this U long. Oh. Can we not? Huh. Wait, okay, we can. Let me just copy this real quick. Oh wait, this is a Nasri Audio, but looks like it's for SE Stage Yoshi Cardboard, which means this is probably... Let's go ahead and actually look at the documentation real quick. So, destination, that's 17. It's indicating the destination. RD is the destination, right? Alright, let's see here. Oh wait, there, okay, yeah. This is 64-bit, so XD, XN, XM, XA. XD is a 64-bit name of the general destination per. So why does it say RD if it's? So it's madd, and then this is gonna be the destination X8. X8 plus 10. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. I think I kept mixing this up. Never mind. I overcomplicated the hell out of this. Alright, so the deal here is... let's see here. Times 0x to 8. Yeah, okay, this is much better, I think. Well, I'd be able to tell you, but... Let's go here and use 1301, because that has more stuff documented. So X18, that gives us the hash 40 sound bank. So just Control C. Wait, so 0x. Okay, yeah, that gives us something here. That's the stage table laws, right? And if I look at the instruction here again, the destination. Oh wait, I forgot. This is the binary structure of the thing. My bad. I don't need to worry about that. I'll just worry about this section here. So 64-bit. XD is a destination. XN is the 64-bit, the first general purpose source register holding multiplicand. Alright. XM is the 64-bit, the second one that you're going to multiply. XA is the 64-bit name of the general purpose holding the addend. Alright. So it's going to be X24 times X16. So alright, I think I figured it out. We're going to add this, because this is right now ADRP, adding that. Then we're going to plus the index 0x28. I should remove this. Alright. Let's you do one. Alright, so I think I figured out something. Let me clear code bytes here. These might be the tail ends. D-A5, B8, B-A1, and this is a hash, that's for sure. This is a hash, and that's a hash. Hold up, I'm sorry, but... yeah, but alright, let's clear this out. Yeah, well, if it'll let me. Clear flow and repair, clear symbols, clear data, clear symbol, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna clear the data here, my bad. Clear. Alright. So let's go ahead and just... oopsie. I'm gonna just move this here. We're gonna data u long. Alright, yep, this looks similar to what I was looking for. Let's check out the hash here. See if it's a cracked one. Okay, might not be cracked, but this for sure has to be the start. The problem here is this one is 8 bytes long and 8 bytes long. If I do Y here and Y here, yeah. This matches up perfectly with what I was looking for, but here we have a bit of a problem because there's only 1 byte. One unsigned, one U64. Oh, my bad. Let's go ahead and just try here again. So let's go ahead and 7100 plus 0x1b8. Alright. Plus 0. Let's do 2 times. Let's just do this and place. So 2. One, 2. This was 3, right? 4? What's this? It does go up by number. Wait, no, that was 5, and it took me to 6. Huh, that's weird. And 5 is there? What? 9? Okay, yeah, this is getting trippy. Let's go back up here real quick. Let's go here. This has to be a hash, that's for sure. So let's go here. 710. plus 0x1b8. So x24 times x16. And then we add that. And then plus 0x18, my bad, I forgot about that part. Let's say we put 0 here. That takes us to Sonos 3 audio. Alright, that makes sense. Alright, that makes sense. And then we do 1, that should take us to the second one. Yep. Alright, so now that we got this working, this part, we're going to have to change it to be our pointer minus a base, I guess. Minus the distance. Let's do 7100. Actually, we could just this and remove all of this except for that. So oopsie, my bad. Let me just remove this one. Alright. Alright, so you got it. It's gonna be the whole. It's gonna be the pointer minus 8. Alright. Now that we have that set up, we can go ahead and start patching it. Thankfully, this wasn't as hard as I expected it to be, but hey. Let's go ahead and see why I pinged. Ooh, nice. Alright, so quick update. TNN and the goats of the hash cracking club have figured out the hash. So we're gonna go here and update it real quick. There. Alright. Shown as series in directory. Then we're gonna go here and update that real quick. PRC, brrr, where did it go? There. Alright. We got that fixed. Let's go back here and start patching the table itself. So to patch the table, we're actually going to use the code that Jam wrote as a proof of concept and the code that I poured over for the table fighter expansion and expanded on. So to do that first things first, we're going to go ahead and audio here. Delete all the garbage that I was willing to go through here. Alright, now let's work with this. So we have our narration circle, blah blah. Size is 0x21, right? Yeah, okay, good. Then let's go here. We're gonna go to lib. You can just cancel all this out and Control KC this. Alright. So we're gonna make it into a U54 before we patch it. Subtract 10, because I want to make sure that every single place that does this actually do that. This one, ADRP. Oh boy, never mind. This might be a bit more annoying than before. XA here. Oh, never mind, not that bad. Yep, 1B8. So G plus 0x1B8 plus 0x8. So just subtract x8. Not bad at all. And thank God the ADRP instructions usually do this, so that's gonna be even more easy to patch. I remember having so much trouble with it before. Alright, so let's go here. Nah, my main problem right now is patching all of it. Alright. I should probably stop getting distracted real quick. But for now, let's go ahead and finish this up. What's next? We want to go ahead and just start patching it. So I'm going to go ahead and just go to the Ghost repository. So github.com. Oh, there I am. Alright. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and yoink some of my code. So let's go to... tables actually. Alright, so here we do all this. Why did I have that here? We want a specific struct located table, so we already have our table here, right? So let's go ahead and add a new function. Let's see here. Table. I wrote this last year, right? Oh, only 10 months ago. Pretty sure I wrote it last spring break, and then spring break is actually coming up right now, so lucky me. Alright, so let's finish this up. Oh, I tried to create a cave. Good times, good times. I'm gonna go back here though and figure this out. Patch ID and jump out offset. Do I want to copy this entire system or just... Wait, yeah, I do need to use my former system because... this is... You cannot move a 64-bit value into a register with only 2 instructions in assembly. In ARC64 basically here. In this language, you cannot put 710533301. Let me explain to you actually real quick. So hold up. Here, you see here how they do the ADRP first, then they add. Because you can't put like an entire 64-bit address into a value directly. That's why they ADRP first, then add into it, then do whatever else. So I needed a way to get. I needed a way to get a 64-bit address into a register with only 2 instructions. So my solution was this actually. I'm gonna copy and show you how I'll do it here. Here. So to patch, I'm gonna copy this real quick and I'm gonna utils here. All right. Oh boy, this is gonna be such a mess. I'm gonna actually leave it all in audio. I'll expand on it and clean it up later, but for now, let's create globals. There it is. Alright, so we have that. Move Z. We need to copy that too. So CPU. Move Z. Copy paste this. Oh, I don't want, I'll do our literal X. And then we have why did I do this? I have no idea. Oh, yeah, probably for debugging. Hook data for ID. Alright. X18. Let me just make sure that nothing actually overwrites X18 whatever I'm doing right now. I had sacrificed 1 register for it, but oh, thank God. Oh no. Oh no! I don't think my solution will work. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Yeah. Oh no, ladies and gentlemen. We've hit the worst of luck. Let me just verify that I'm tripping and it was just another register. Ladies and gentlemen, can you believe it? Can you believe it, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, so bad news. This actually sucks. This actually hurts. Oh my god. Alright, so the problem with this is I'll put up the Discord log actually. So the register X17. Guess what the game uses for this? We can't edit X17, that register. Since Skyline will use it for reserved purposes. And I already sacrificed another register, so I can't just patch the one ahead. This actually sucks. Alright, so oh boy. Alright. Oh boy, this actually sucks. This pain. This actually hurts. Alright, so instead of wallowing in despair, we can go ahead and think of another solution. You already reserved register A18. We take over that. Is anything here using register 7? Let's just scroll through a bit. Well, even if there wasn't, the problem would be if there's anywhere else in the other hooks that use that register. Oh boy. Alright, so we could also just trying to think of a solution. We can't patch 17. This actually sucks. Where does the final result go to? X8. Alright. Oh boy, I am just depressed. I cannot think of a solution for this. I'm trying to think. We can't patch 17 directly. So what if we... Ugh, this sucks. This sucks. Genuinely. Oh boy, I'm just trying to think this through. Think of all other possible solutions. I used code caves before. I used... Code caves. I could probably use these again, but... I'd have to overwrite a function completely. I know there's one function that's just a bunch of bloat, and I could overwrite that. And because I rewrote it before, and I had a lot of space, but... Problem with the code cave would be the branch. If the distance is too great between those two, then... Let's go ahead and try it out anyway. So we're gonna go... Oh, wait. I wrote it all for an older version. This is gonna suck. Oh boy. I'm just depressed. Ugh. This is actually screwed me over. Alright. Solution time. There was a way to move a 64-bit address into... Yeah, with only 2 instructions, there was a way. The problem is, it relied on your bottom half of the address to be zeros. I remember it was random for me. If I can manage to get that working, then we should be good. But the problem is, let's see here. Where's my dev profile? Rust vec pointer. Make sure ends with 0. This is gonna suck because I doubt anybody would want it for this specific use case. Alright. Alright. So, I could either just guess the whole time, or the only reason my solution from before worked was because they all ended with, they all were being moved to register 8, register 16, stuff that wasn't 17, and Skyline reserved 17, so I was gonna do this too, but you know what, how about this? We're gonna go ahead and pull up here. I'll just extra here and just let's hop to each one and see what's going on. They all mad after this, so mad. Whoa, we're 16. HRP here? Oh boy, okay. This is gonna be a bit tough actually. This distance between them is this big sometimes. This is tough. This is not racking my brain. All right. Okay, I guess you're at an impasse here. Impasse? I don't know. Just annoying, that's for sure. I am gonna go fetch some water. Be right back. I'm back. Oh boy, sorry for the leave. Okay, but this thing, wow, we gotta figure out something for it. Hold up, can we just move? If we can use 3 instructions, we wouldn't have this problem. That's what I'm saying right now. This sucks, unironically. Oh boy. Alright. Alright. Instead of getting depressed and just getting distracted by looking around on Discord or something, we need to figure out a solution. Let's see. Did that here. Let me pull up Skyline actually, so github.com/skyline dev/skyline. Really? This is so stupid. Alright. I'll just open up my actual instance. So it loads register 17. Race into that. Alright, so I got an idea. What if this is just for breaking into there? Because I remember my only main problem with it was trying to read the value from it and getting garbage, which was probably a trampoline. X17. Hold up. ADR. You know what? Let's just try it. Let's just see and hope that nothing breaks. Like, I'm 99% sure it's not gonna work, but on the off the 10% chance it, the 1%, not 10%, the 1% chance it does work, then we party. All right. All right. I'm gonna just get rid of this. We have 18 register that we use. And then we'll just insert data do here. Let's just copy paste. I would just control A, control C. Control A, control V. This is gonna be such a mess, but all right. I'm gonna go here, crates, hook, control A, control C, control V, just do this, oh my god. Delete. Alright, this should be everything. Fingers crossed it all works. Well, not everything, because I still have to get the locations, but... Here's gonna do this again. Low battery, oh boy. That's the switch controller, alright. This is such a mess, oh my god. Where's patch location? This is such a mess. Let me just verify which memory location is this. Just main. Okay, I'm just gonna assume it's text. This is just ugh. Table refrigerator, let's go look for that. Ugh. Hold up. Let's just... Yeah, that's gonna be much more... Are you serious? Oh my god, GitHub, really? Alright. Structs. There, okay. So much just copy pasting, bro. I don't care at this point, just copy paste, copy paste. I'm gonna have to clean this up so much later. Alright. Mm-hmm. Alright. The problem with this was... that is not the ADRP that these tables use. Here, this is the value they use, so... Okay, let me pull up 1301 real quick. Oh, wait, I used the wrong one. Are you serious? Ugh. No, it's not 228. What are you talking about, bro? What is this? 1VA, right? Oh my god, are you serious? Index times x23, what's x23? 28, are you serious? What was this? Oh boy. This is fun. Let me pull up the picture I sent somebody. Two to 8. Oh. So it changed. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna just stop messing around for now real quick. Let's just finish this. Alright. So this plus... So this plus 0x228 times and then plus and then plus your x10. All right. So this was the formula, but the base address of the table was all right. So the pointer minus something here. Minus 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, got it. Minus 8. Minus 8. Pointer of custom table minus. Got it. All right. Just do this. Two to 8. All right. I got it. All right. Why is this so far away? This is why you should not be. Vec of table ref. Not table ref iter. That was what table. Just table ref, right? Yeah. Okay. Let me go check my table file here real quick. Oh, pubs ref Pablo question. Okay. All right. Alright, I'm not gonna worry about this right now. My head is just gonna blow up if I don't finish this right now. Alright. Alright, nice. Alright. There it is. Alright, beautiful. Now this should theoretically work. So when we install this, we want to go ahead and... Let me just go ahead and send this somewhere real quick. Alright. Here we're going to go ahead and just... Narration charcoal table. New. Offset is going to be... Offset of the table is going to be... Is going to be this. Size of the table is going to be 0x21, alright. Entry is going to be... the CSK collection API. Unknown 1, we're going to make it 1. We're going to put... Let's see here. This was... The last one was 34. Let's do 35. Alright. Then table.patch. Then we're also going to do the same thing, but for anything that's a reference. I have to copy all that code too. Oh boy. Can I go back, please? Excuse me. Okay, thank you. Tables.rs here. GitHub really sucks, right? I do not want to sign in right now. Here, refs, find it. Table count ref. Alright. Remember table refs, create table. Okay, so create table. Table of refs. Here, okay. Oh boy. Let's see here. Cannot do check 0x21. Blacklisted offsets, we have none, so we just do Vec. That. CMP immediate, I need that. Helpers, alright, so we can just set count, so. Let's just leave it as length, alright. Wait, +1, my bad. Alright. And then before we do anything here, we want to go ahead and push. Yeah, okay, we pushed, alright. And now we have to check something. Yo, what's good day? My bad for not responding sooner. I've just been busy looking at the code. Let me pop the chat here real quick, actually, so I can at least see what's going on. Yo! Yes, I got it. We can pin stuff now. Nice. Okay, that makes it bigger for both sides. It's alright. Alright, and then while we're doing this, we can go ahead and start working on these stuff. So let's go ahead and just... Oh boy, this is not going to be fun, actually. Let me see if I have stuff extracted. I guess you could also just go and steal one off Game Banana, so let me just go here. Actually, I think I have one here. Let me check. Silver, move set. Yep, there. Shout outs to the GOAT for being nice and supplying the files here that we're going to be using. Narration here. Here we have... Ooh boy, where is it? Where is it indeed? Me sword. No. We're looking for Mewtwo, yeah. Hey, what? Bye, finish. Oh, that's smart. Alright. Then I guess we just have to make it ourselves. We can just cargo install git. Alright, I'm just gonna dial the program, I guess. Wait, I do have it. Copy. Path. Where's path? Paste. Alright, now I can just go back here. Extract the Nostri audio. You want to extract name, output, and then VC narration charcoal. Oopsie. Yeah, okay, that's the right way to put it. And then we just scroll here. Young Link article. That's what it was. Ah, I messed up. VC underscore narration underscore charcoal underscore young link there.
Silver.
Alright, got this. We can drag it out. We can just... we can leave it as is. VC narration charcoal silver. And now we can go ahead and... Well, first we need to pack that up to a Nostri audio. So, Nostri audio. Tatak help, Nostri audio. We're gonna create a new one, so... I forgot the command for creating a new one. Are you serious? New, yeah, Tekken. Tac A, append, VC, narration, charcoal, silver. VC narration charcoal silver.idsp narration charcoal silver dot Nostri audio. Alright.
Silver.
Alright, we got our Nostri audio. And now first things first I want to check real quick is the Nostri audio path here. Where's hash lookup? Sound bank. No, that's not the one I'm looking for. 27 was trail, so here we're gonna use this as reference. Are you serious? Was it not 27? I guess I'll pick 24. Wow. That's a lot of random ones. Okay, here, that's edge. 21 was it? Okay, 21 was my boy's Sora. Yeah, okay. We can go ahead and just kill all three of these. And then to generate a tone label, we're just gonna Nostri audio tatak help T audio tak T. Alright, yeah, that's our tone label file. And then we need a Nostri bank, so how long is silver? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6, alright. So let's see here. Who's on Kirby / arc? Arc files. There. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The character was 6 in their name. Marth, no. Let's just go through here, I guess. Marth. Fighter. E D Y C A P T A I, and that's 7. CHROM, no. DDD. Alright, DD's perfect. We use DDD then. BC narration charcoal DEMON. No, that's not enough. Can someone send Alright, and now we're gonna wait. Actually, no, while we're waiting, we'll just go ahead and arc explore this. Never mind, we already got somebody offering to get it for me. Alright, let's see here. Sound, bank, narration. Hakun, my goat. Alright, and now we're just gonna text this up. HXD. Why? Let's drag this into here. Alright, now we're gonna Alright, and then we're just gonna change this to silver, so silver. Beautiful. Alright. We make sure that the internal name's the same. We're gonna save as over here, just I forgot. Whoop whoop. And these are regional too. Are you serious? Ugh. We'll ignore the regional part then. Alright. Don't bother. And then hash of soundbank narration. Control A, Control C, Control V. We're gonna boop. Boop. We're gonna one more. Tone label. Alright. Now 35. Yep, okay, good. Giro X21. Find anywhere that has that and set the count to be the table length of this. Would be 22, set it's 23. Alright, yep, good, good. Alright, and now let's go ahead and test it out, so. Let's go ahead and also overwrite Sonic, I guess. So we're gonna do the CSK Collection API and then just add Chara DB entry layout. The CSK Collection API Chara database, yeah. Just do everything here, but we're gonna default. So UI Chara is gonna be. I can't just do hash 40 like that, right? I can just do Acropolis API hash 40 UI Chara Sonic .0. All right, or as U6. Let's use the help function, makes it look cleaner. And then we're gonna do extra hash maps. All right, hash 40 map. Yep, use this directly, please. Overwrite. And then I'll just do hash map from Acropolis API hash 40 VC narration Chara call, comma. Let me just do the same thing here. Let's see, CSK collection hash 40 type overwrite dot as U64. Beautiful. So that here too. All right, and this should be enough. Did I not do default default? Yeah, I did do default default. Oh. Alright. Now we just run it and hope that everything works without crashing or breaking. Yeah, I expected this. So let's go up. Let's go to lib. And drop this here to the crate. We try again. That's still errors. Let's see here. CPP immediate. Oopsie, I'm using crate CPU. I don't even have that. Did I not copy it over? Are you serious? Where is this? Okay, GitHub. CPP immediate. CPU. CPP. Huh? Refs CPP immediate. Are you serious? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna just use my actual account because I don't want to bother third. Delay for CPP. CMP immediate. Ugh, alright. Where's this? Hashtag derive debug. Add honestly, it'd probably be just faster for me to make the CPU file itself here. CPU.rs. Paste all that in there. Use crate API CPU. Let me just delete all the instances of yeah, this isn't a CPU. Okay, yep. I'm not that dumb, I guess. CMP media, that's a CPU. Alright. That's at least trimmed down a lot. Hashtag derive debug. Alright. We got 6 errors left. Let's go. CMP immediate. Alright. Oh, dude. CPU immediate doesn't implement display. Did I not save this? Let's see here. Oh wow, I'm so far back on the stream. That's... Oh, okay, never mind. I was just watching behind. Wait, wrong file. We gotta have to delete all this. Five errors left. Let's see here. found hash 40, even though I did. Collection. That's so weird. Okay, let's just fix the other errors then. What's the first error? Oopsie. Alright. We'll just fix these errors then. I could just do this, save us the trouble. And this last one, so the right hash map from hash map U64 hash 40 type Acropolis. That is super weird. Oh wait, this should be regeneration charcoal silver, my bad. So we can just do this here. Save us the trouble. Oh wait. Expected U64 found. U64. I'm confused. What am I doing? Let me pull this up real quick. So, the CSK collection info. No, I want to see the CSK collection API. There. Can I go up to wiki, please? Thank you. Oh, I messed up. Okay, yeah. Hash map from parentheses. Okay, yeah, that's much better. I'll just copy this and pencil over here. All right. And now we finally patched up everything. Let's see if this works though. That's gonna be the moment of truth. I'm gonna close the TV so the sounds don't overlap. Oh boy. Alright. Hopefully that turns it off. Let me make sure I didn't miss anything in the live chat. Thank you. Ish. Let's bring the switch over. Watch it crash lava. Oh boy, this debugging session is not gonna be fun. I'm so exhausted already, and I still have not gotten into test it out yet. The sound label info, I forgot all about expanding that. Oh boy. Well, let's just make sure that it doesn't crash when we like go inside and load a file or something. I don't know how well you guys can hear this or not, but okay, so we have a problem here with, which is that it's not over. Oh wait, I should have noticed something was up and it just let us go in. Ugh. See, when something doesn't crash, something's wrong. And now I'm, oh boy. Alright, now it should crash. That's not something I'm looking forward to. If it does crash, I'll just put it on hold and release the update for the series. Oh, what's this? Okay. Yeah, this table looks fine. Oh wait, this is it with the added stuff. Alright. Regeneration, charcoal, silver. Silver. I need to stop mixing up my words. Alright, so let's just make sure that Sonic's... At the very least, Sonic should have nothing said. And this crash is scaring me because it is usually not supposed to be here for this long. Of course. Alright, so let's drag this here. Crash report time. Oh boy. I forgot to delete this real quick. Let's see here, what's this? Yep, of course it would crash here. Let's see why it crashed. Data elbow. Okay, yeah, so. Let's see here real quick. The index. Mad there. X25 is most likely index. Let's go here and see where it should 25. 21. This is in hexadecimal most likely, so we can actually just go to programming mode here, hex, place 21. So 33. Let's try something here real quick. Where is it? Audio. Let's not add one, because I think Len itself automatically adds one, so. Let's run it. Fingers crossed that was the only problem. Oh boy. I doubt it, like I severely doubt it, but. Tell me the things This is always so scary whenever you run stuff. Whether it crashes or not, my heart aches. Pack it up, it crashed. So it's loading everything else fine, it just... Let's see why it crashed again. We'll go see here. Thank God for Atmosphere's detailed crash reports. Alright, let's download this, open. Same size, which means the error is probably the same thing. And X21 was 2. Oh, that's interesting. Let's hop over here and make sure that the index was the same. Yeah, okay. Oh boy. X21 is XA plus X90. XA is this. What if we were to just... Let's try it without patching the count. The index was 2, so it's not that bad, but... I want to also do something else real quick. Where cargo skyline run. Nano. Let's go change this real quick. I probably shouldn't be relying on the network drive for... Alright. That should work real quick. Oh, no it didn't. Alright, I guess I'll figure out something else then. I'll do that later though. For now I'll just test it out. Alright. No, I realized. Alright, so it looks like the issue is just patching the refs. Okay, yeah, this I think broke it too. Let me see if I can find my other OBS instance. Because you guys can't tell the... Okay, I think that's the loudest I can make it. Rip. Yeah, the volume... Now the volume's up. Sound effects, everything else did not load properly. So let's try out something else real quick. Where did it go? Okay. Let's see here. What if we just don't add anything extra? Cause yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if this wouldn't work. Cause 17 is a reserved register for Skyline, a reserved register. If this works, then it's probably the size of Nope. Okay, so I guess patching it is breaking it. Alright. Let's try this then. Maybe the X8. Not the X8, the 0 minus 08. Actually, wait, let's try this out in combination with GDB. So first things first, we're gonna go here. What we want to do is let's pick a location where this Nostri audio loads. It could be anywhere, I guess, but hold on, I'm gonna just copy this part. Make sure that I'm using the right one. Yeah, okay. 454-230, 454-228. 228, okay, yeah. Alright, so this is the ID and that. Let me actually go ahead and view the crash reports real quick. Here. Okay, you know, I actually want to see it when it's at a Nostri Bank or Nostri Audio, because that'd be more helpful to me. So we're going to copy this, switch GDB, boot into the game while holding L. We're going to count up to like 3 to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now the game's initialized, we could just set up. We can break at 0x here. Continue. Alright. Hopefully it breaks there. Yeah, okay, thank God. So now if we were to print unsigned long star $X8 plus 24. Alright, so that's not giving us a valid answer. Let's go here real quick. Localized $X8. This is giving us a completely random address. Let's see here why. So when we go here, all right. Euro X18. Okay, wait, yeah, that's much better. I was just messing up. Now if we go here, hash lookup, that should be a hash that we know. Yep, SE common. All right. So basically, if we do that here, we should get SE common. Localized $X27. Let's see here. Hello. A good library for working with audio formats in JS. I apologize in advance, but I have no idea. I don't think I messed with audio directly in JavaScript a while back. For a while, actually. The closest I've gone to is writing a Necessity audio library from JavaScript, but... So hello PK, Jaw, Omega. Yes, I am gaming over here. Looking at raw assembly. Trying to figure out how to patch a table. Let's see here. So right now we're trying to see why this isn't working. No problem. Good luck with whatever you're working on. If you need any help, feel free to hit me on Discord. $X27. Let's see here. We'll have to IDSP. I don't think the average library would help you because I don't think there's a library for that, but you could look into... Let me see if I can pull it up on my dev profile here real quick. VG Audio CLI here. Yeah. So VG Audio, you can look into this alongside WebAssembly. C# WASM. Yeah, you can look into this Blazor and VG Audio. See if you can combine them together because VG Audio is the tool that we use to convert WAV to IDSP or low pass. There's some formats here doesn't mention that it also supports. So if you use Blazor with Net and C# stuff to build applications, you can probably figure out a way to do that. You could also look into compiling C# code to WASM. There's WASM tools. You could also try this. Or you could go the crazy route and just rewrite the library in JavaScript, which will be a very huge task. Which, oh boy, I would not recommend that personally. But yeah, good luck on your journey. Let me see here now. Time to figure out why this table stuff is a big fat meanie. Well, let me go back to where I was at here. Yeah, okay. So now let's try out again, but this time we're gonna try it out modded. We're gonna switch GDB, boot it up, set up, and wait for a bit before we connect. NP, good luck with your project, boss. Set up. And now let's go ahead and just break at the offset we were at again and see if we get the right data, I guess. Okay, I broke there, thank God. Now let's print a pointer dereferenced unsigned long $xa plus 0x18. This is the hash. Yeah, okay, so I guess even with the patch table it's still fine. Let's go all the way up here actually. If we go here, X27, we go to the ADRP instruction here that let's use that. There, okay. We can go ahead and x/5i $main this offset. Alright, yeah, here. The ID of 0 branches here. x/5i $main plus here. Okay, yeah, I won't be able to do that. So just x/5i this address itself. Oh boy, it does this stuff. Alright, so I'm just gonna try it again. So this should be another nasty audio hash. Yep, it is common. Alright, so this works. Disable, my bad. Alright. Okay, yeah, the volume and audio stuff still don't load, so let's try. I forgot to attach first. Alright, let's try a Nustody Bank. Oh boy, alright. Let's see here. Where's my picture I took earlier for reference? Alright. We're gonna copy this. Switch GTB again. Start the game. Run setup. Burn it for like a bit. Just make sure that we can set up perfectly fine. Break at. Alright. This is 17, so this might be what breaks it. And if it does, then woe is us. Oh wait, this doesn't get triggered at all. At least I hope so. Alright, nothing at all, nope. Okay, you know what? Something I actually want to do. You can exit. We're gonna move this here. We're gonna go back to the CSK collection. And then here, patch locations. For X in patch locations. Println location $#x x dot text offset. Alright. Now you're gonna go ahead and see all these patch locations. Why was that? It's been moved, so we reference. Alright. Actually, I do want to add some extra data. So location, and then we want to see the register. So x.adrp.rd. All right. Cargo Scotland run again. I'm not gonna buy the GDB this time. Alright, and now let's go ahead and just boot up the game. Let's see what data gets spit out. Okay, so we're gonna pause the game real quick. Here we have, alright. Let's pop this bad boy up. We're gonna copy paste all this. Hook location this. Oh wait, this is not what I was looking for. Yikes, all these 17s are scaring me. I'm just gonna go ahead and pin this up real quick. Alright. Alright. So now we have 25 locations we hook. This is not gonna be fun, that's for sure. And how much of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 of them are 17 or 11. 12 or 11. I'm not sure. I'm not sure I counted right. Oh boy. Let's just start jumping to each one and seeing what's up. So this one is register 27. ADRP 228. Branch here. We jump there. Mad. And this gets a long. Alright, good, good. That's fine, alright. Mm-hmm. 20, that's a U-long, alright. Or W28, so we didn't sure about that. 27. 27 adds that 20 U-long, alright. ADRP. That's 248. We'll register 28. Oh, this is interesting. 258, right? That's what it's supposed to be. 228. So if we go back here, 228. This is 248. So why are we doing this here? Hold up, this could be... This is what's tripping me up. Is it part of it? Because it always starts here, so... Okay, but this one, that's for sure a bad none, because... One, two, three, four, five. All right. Okay, so this one needs more investigating. ADRP 228, okay, good. Blah blah, okay, that's good. 228. As soon as it says 228, I'm out. 228, yep. 328, 17 though, so that sucks. 228. 228. Two, 2, 8. I'll just top 2 all with another one. 2, 4, 8. This is another one that he's checking. So 710 plus 0 is 248. This part is what throws me off. More investigating here too. Two for eight here too. Oh boy. Two, 8. Okay, good. 2, 8. 16. All right. Two, 8. Okay. So what I want to do here right now is I'm gonna just comment these out. The ones that need more investigating. We're gonna go ahead and just do that. And then in patch locations, sure. Actually, no, in the patch function itself, that's what I want to check. If that contains text offset, just return. Alright. And let's see if this gets it at least working. Alright, let's try it out again. See if the audio loads this time. Might have to investigate those 3 functions, those 3 lines, I guess. The instructions, I hold this hard to break them. Oh boy. Will the audio load, ladies and gentlemen? Or will it not crash? That's the first question, probably. Should have asked that way. Oh, it loaded. Ooh, you hear that SFX? Music to my ears, bro. Okay, Sonic still being Sonic. That's so weird to me. Like, what? Can I change the VC narration charcoal? Let's just put this up real quick. FZF PRC UI. Alright. UI Chara. Oh, let's see here. Chara call label, I messed up. It was Sonic, let's see. Alright, got it. Charcoal label, that's what I need to fix. Let's see here. VT narration charcoal, then the name. Okay, yeah, got it. Alright, so you can just first make sure that it actually, I forgot how to pronounce that. Loads. Oh boy. Let's just make sure that Sonic Sting isn't working, just make sure that we're editing the right stuff for future reference. Why? Why are you still saying Sonic, Habibi? That's so weird. There was something? You Ichara Sonic is UCT4, extra hash maps over right. This is gonna be annoying. Okay, no, let me just look up something real quick. UI Taurus. Alright. Charcoal label C00. We see narration charcoal silver, right? And then we check PRC. Will this work? No idea, but hey. Yeah, of course not. Here on replace hash map mutable. Expected mutable transform. So I guess this thing is just not gonna work fine easily. Oh boy. Any reason you can't? Ramstrut. Alright, thank you. Well, if this does work, then I guess I fixed an extra bug. And if this does work, I also have to go down and fix others. Let's start the game up again. See if Sonic's quiet this time. That way. Let's pause this track and switch it up. Alright. Please, Sonic, stay quiet and answer for him. I really should have tested out everything I was working on before, but... Let's go! Oh, you don't know how relieved I am to hear the announcer just... Shh. Then we just copy this and go down and fix it for everything else we have. UI Chara layout script, alright. Fire in my soul, fire in my heart till you see me on the underside stars. Oh, the journey starts somewhere with the first step. Apologies for you guys haven't listened to me singing, but the song is just so happy. Alright, let's finish this up though. Now that we got this stuff working, we fixed another bug. We can go back here and start working on this stuff. So let's just try patching this. And then we blacklist everywhere that crashes this, I guess. Because if this ends up working, I'm just going to ship it as is. Everything extra, we're going to have to look into it later. Beginning. There's an ending too. As we go across many predicaments, delight lies beneath colors of love. That's excellent. Oh boy. Of the magnitude of deeds. Let me check something real quick. Okay, yeah. I should probably pin this ball. Oh, crash rip. Sound label info. That's the one that has everything. All right. Oh, okay, it's already done. Let's view this one then. So our first location we want to patch out is this. We will go to here, blacklist this offset. So do you long stuff. Oh no, you can't do that. Let's see here. Why does it do this? 0x28. This is not fun, bro. Okay, I guess we just have to look into these now. Let's just jump here real quick. This is what? 23F0A2C. 23F0A2C. 23F08. Nowhere near here, okay. Let's see. I'm probably gonna pause the stream for a while now. Thank y'all for joining, whoever joined. And I'll probably hop back in after a few hours, or after I just take a break, relax my head. I'll probably turn on the webcam when I come back, by the way. So I'm gonna be alone for a while. Alright. I think that's about it. So I'll see you guys soon, so we can debug this problem and hopefully get it all working for a new update. See you guys later. Bye.